Hey y'all, it's Sarah, and this week's book talk we will be looking at a realistic fiction sports novel by Catherine Weber, published in 2017 by Delacorte Press, an imprint of Random House Children's Book, also a division of Random House LLC. The Heartbeat of Wing Jones follows the story of a 16-year-old girl named Wing and her family. Wing Jones feels like an outsider in many ways. Her brother, Marcus, is a popular jock, a football god with a seemingly perfect relationship with the beautiful, blonde-haired, blue-eyed Monica. Wing, on the other hand, tends to stick to the sidelines, cheering her brother on, supporting her mother and grandmothers, and crushing on her brother's best friend, Aaron. She often feels like a wallflower, an anomaly, someone who doesn't fit into a standard box. It isn't that everybody hates me, I just don't really fit in anywhere. It might be 1995, but at my school, the white kids sit with the white kids, the black kids sit with the black kids. Only exception being Marcus and Monica, but Marcus is the exception to everything. There isn't a table for the half Chinese, half black kids. There aren't even any other Asian kids at my school except for my brother, and the school hierarchy rules don't apply to him. When Marcus makes the decision to get behind the wheel of a car drunk, he ends up killing 2 people and barely surviving himself. Wing, angry and hurt, struggles to cope. She's tortured at school by her schoolmates and feels the crushing grief of her mom and grandmothers at home. Only at night while she dreams does she escape the pain of the day. She escapes by dreaming of running. I watch and I wonder what it feels like to be so fast you can get away whenever you want and to be so sure of yourself that you don't care who is watching. When the dreaming is not enough, Wing begins to run at night on the empty school track. Aaron, Marcus's best friend, by complete accident discovers Wing and her late-night running. He sees the potential in her. In fact, she may be more athletic than her brother, and encourages her to try out for the track team. What starts out as a way to cope with the tragedy turns into a potential savior. But is running really going to save the Joneses family from their grief, piling medical bills, and criminal charges? If this seems like your cup of tea, but you can't get a copy or you've already read it, check out these 2 books. A Quiet Kind of Thunder by Sarah Bernard follows the story of Steffi, a selective mute, and Reese, the new boy at school who is deaf. When these 2 are partnered together because Steffi knows some BSL, they develop a friendship that shows Steffi does have a voice, with a lot to say, and Reese not only hears her, but makes her feel brave enough to use it. Or check out After the Shot Drops by Randy Rebay. It's the story of 2 childhood friends, Bunny and Nasir, that find themselves estranged after Bunny gets a scholarship at a private school to play basketball. The emotional story of friendship, basketball, the drive to improve one's life is sure to grab readers of all ages. Hope y'all enjoy this. I'll talk to y'all next time.